JB, gonna try 2 of these Pop Century. Show the case real fast. Killer. And down the line. Okay. These have pops in them too. I'll show them as I number them. The last case had that. The plastic where they wrapped them, it was like little holes. Everything's wrapped, of course, but for some reason they pop. Like this one's has a real big hole. There you go. That one has a big hole. Got a lot of big holes in the plastic. There you go. Anyway. Oh, that one goes there. Alright, 1 to 6, 7 to 12. Here we go, JB. Number 6. And number 12, bottom 2. 6 and 12. Yeah, Tony Mo, it's the same one that one Ami was doing. They had these little holes in the plastic. Hole, hole, tiny hole, tiny hole, tiny hole, hole. Alright. Number 1. This one has a huge hole in it. Anyway. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And then some just have a tiny hole there. Number 5. Number 6. Hole right here, here, and here. Number 7. Big old hole. Tiny hole. 8. 9. And 10. Here we go. Box number 1. Alright, we have an Andrew Green ink. I don't know if some of these are shorter printed than others, but the one we pulled earlier today was not green ink. This is the green ink version. Andrew McCarthy. Dude from Cheers, John Ratzenberger. 10 of 10. John Ratzenberger. Jamie Lynn Siegler. And Cal numbered to 10. Got a baseball player in here. First athlete today. Oh wait, we got the wrestler, Ric Flair. Second athlete today. Cal Ripken numbered to 10. Box number 2. Nine of 25, Chase and Amy. Joey Lauren Adams. Yeah, Jamie Lynn, she did. Mark Spitz. There you go. The new combo. Oh, wait. There you go. Jamie Lynn Siegler, Pete Rose. Pete Rose, Jamie Lynn Siegler. There you go. Oh, Dick Van Dyke. Was that the last one? Yeah. He's on the cover. There you go. Dick Van Dyke. That is not numbered. Alrighty. That was Spitz and Amy. Alright, and a Cal Ripken number to 10. Pretty cool stuff. Appreciate it, JB. I'll get on the way.